Hello and a warm welcome to the AI with Arun Show. In this episode, we are going to dive deep into Gemini Enterprise. This is Google's comprehensive AI platform for the enterprise. So what is Google's grand plan? It's built on three core strategic ideas. First, they want Gemini to be the new front door for AI in your workplace. Imagine a single, intuitive conversational interface that unifies all of your company's data, tools, and people. That's the vision. Second, this is about the evolution to Agentic AI. Now, what does agentic mean? It means moving beyond simple chatbots that just answer questions. We're talking about autonomous AI agents that can orchestrate entire complex workflows, from conducting deep market analysis to launching a multi-channel campaign, all with minimal human input. And third, let's be crystal clear. This is a direct challenge to Microsoft. Launched today, October 9th, 2025. Gemini Enterprise is engineered to compete head-on with Microsoft Copilot, using aggressive pricing and superior technical specifications as its weapons of choice. To make this vision a reality, Google built Gemini on 6 powerful architectural pillars. Advanced AI models. At its heart are Google's latest models, including Gemini 2.5 Pro. The standout feature is its 1 million token context window. A context window is simply the amount of information the AI can hold in its working memory. At 1 million tokens, it's 8 times larger than its nearest competitor, allowing it to understand and execute far more complex tasks. No-code workbench. This is a game changer. It allows your non-technical employees, people in marketing, finance, or HR, to build their own custom AI agents without writing a single line of code. This truly democratizes AI development. Pre-built agent task force. It comes ready to work, with powerful agents for deep research, data insights, and more, plus a marketplace of thousands of solutions from partners. Enterprise data integration. Gemini securely connects to the systems you already use: Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Salesforce, SAP, with a zero-copy architecture, which means it can access your data securely where it lives without creating risky duplicates. Centralized governance. This is critical for IT. It provides a single console to manage, monitor, and secure every AI agent in the organization with incredibly detailed access controls. An open ecosystem. Finally, with over 100,000 partners and a new agent-to-agent protocol, Google is building a platform where AIs from different vendors can collaborate and work together. Now, let's put Gemini head-to-head with its primary competitor, Microsoft Copilot. The differences are stark. As we mentioned, the context window gives Gemini an 8-to-1 advantage, allowing it to handle much larger and more complex projects. Pricing is a key battleground. While Microsoft has a flat $30 per user fee, Google uses a more flexible model that we'll explore next. Their core philosophies differ. Google is fostering an open ecosystem, while Microsoft is focused on a tightly integrated, closed garden with its own products. This means Gemini's immediate strengths are in areas like research, creative generation, and analyzing massive datasets. However, we cannot ignore Microsoft's advantages. They have deep, native integration with Office 365, a long and trusted track record in the enterprise, and powerful capabilities in essentials like Excel and Teams. Google's pricing strategy is incredibly sophisticated. They are using a dual approach to capture the market. Publicly, their top tier is $30, which anchors Gemini as a premium product directly against Microsoft. They also offer a $21 business tier to make it easier for smaller teams to get started. But the real weapon is the volume discount. For enterprises with over 1,000 users, the price drops to just $13.99. What does this mean in real terms? For a 10,000-person organization, this could lead to annual savings of $1.9 million compared to Microsoft's pricing. This is an aggressive strategy designed to win large enterprise accounts. For any enterprise, none of this matters without world-class security and compliance. First, Google guarantees a zero-data training policy. This is their promise that your confidential company data will never be used to train their models. Second, it comes with a full suite of global certifications, including SOC, ISO, HIPAA for healthcare, and GDPR for privacy. And finally, it provides powerful administrative control, with over 50 security policies and a centralized dashboard to monitor all AI activity and enforce your protocols. So what does this look like in the real world? Let's look at the success story of Virgin Voyages. They deployed a fleet of over 50 custom AI agents to support their marketing teams. The results were staggering. They achieved a 40% reduction in the time it took to create campaign copy and 35% cost savings by reducing their reliance on external agencies. One AI assistant they built, nicknamed Email Ellie, helped them achieve record-breaking sales in July, all while freeing up their human team to focus on bigger, more strategic work. This is a perfect example of AI augmenting human potential. And Virgin Voyages is not an outlier. We are seeing broad adoption across every major industry. In finance, Macquarie Bank has rolled it out to every single employee. In healthcare, HCA Healthcare is using it to automate patient handoffs between nursing shifts. In retail, Best Buy has transformed its customer service operations. Major brands like Figma, Gap, Mercedes-Benz, and Klarna are also adopting the platform, demonstrating its incredible versatility. Now for an essential reality check. As powerful as this technology is, it is not a silver bullet. It's crucial to understand the current limitations. AI hallucinations. The system can generate factually incorrect information. Human oversight is not optional. It is mandatory. Limited functionality. In some core apps, like Google Sheets, the capabilities are still more restricted than users might expect. Formatting issues. The quality of outputs like meeting transcripts can be poor and often require manual cleanup. This leads to a hit-or-miss experience. When it works, it's revolutionary. When it doesn't, it can be frustrating. The critical insight here is that this is a powerful tool that requires careful implementation, not a magic, turnkey solution. So how should you approach this? We strongly recommend a structured, 4-step adoption framework. First, run a pilot program for 4 weeks. Start small with 20 to 50 power users in high-impact departments like marketing or sales. Next, measure your ROI or return on investment. For the next 4 weeks, track quantifiable metrics, time saved, project cycle times, and output quality. Build the business case with real data. Then, plan your rollout. Use your pilot findings to develop training materials, set security policies, and establish support channels. Finally, scale your deployment. Beginning in month 4, execute a phased rollout with continuous feedback loops for ongoing improvement. To conclude, here are our final recommendations based on your company's environment. For Google Workspace organizations, our advice is immediate adoption. The deep integration and lower total cost of ownership make this a logical next step. For Microsoft 365 organizations, we recommend a, quote, strategic insertion. Target specific teams, like R&D or creative, where Gemini's unique strengths can add value, rather than attempting a costly full migration. For hybrid environments, we recommend a dual vendor strategy. Deploy Gemini for your Google-based teams and maintain Copilot for Microsoft workflows to maximize flexibility. The future of work is undoubtedly agentic, but it must be a future where humans remain firmly in the loop, making the final strategic decisions. Our final message to you is this: embrace this transformation with enthusiasm, but temper it with rigorous, disciplined risk management and robust governance. That brings us to the end. Support our work by becoming a member. Click on the description for details. We sincerely hope you found this content informative. Please like, share, and subscribe to the AI with Arun Show. Thank you.